Well, well, well. We meet again. It's crack wagon repair time. So what we're doing... Okay. Instructions on how to use a jack. The jack itself. What are these for? Okay. Well, it's incredibly cheap feeling, but whatever, it works. How do I switch you on and off? There we go. Here we are, back at the bottom of the man van. It's been too long, truly and honestly. So we're gonna jack this shit up as slowly as possible. Don't go too fast now. Oh my god, it's slow. Slow. This is a big, heavy vehicle, but we only have 2-ton jack straps. You're barely off the ground too, what the hell? I've been thinking something's wrong with the wheel bearing on this for a moment now. Why didn't I just hear a hiss? Hello? Okay. Well shit, that doesn't look really that bad. The whole purpose of this is to figure out what's wrong with the wheel bearings, and it's not really too much wrong is what it seems like. Which I thought there was going to be a problem, because like it looks like they have positive camber, like the top of the wheel is pointing outwards. Get in there, grease. Okay, so the grease looks a little, I don't know, it looks burnt to me. So we're gonna try to shove some new grease in there. Then we're gonna move to the other thing that I've been trying to fix. No more grease. Shut you up. So you jam those in there. Oh my god. Quick, convenient storage for your tools. New tool location. Perfect. Let me show you something real quick. Need my keys. Bentley, why do you keep migrating? Oh, my car keys are attached to me. There's 11 fault codes and 1 pending code. A P0125, a 460, a 457, an 1131, an 1151, an 1152. I think those are O2 sensor bank 1, O2 sensor bank 2, 0171, 0174, 316, 302, 1132, 1132P. Yeah, so we got a lot of codes. We have one new one actually. So, one of those is a misfire on 2 cylinders. And I bought some shit to fix that. I'm sorry, some pods. We don't use that foul language here. Except for when we do, which is often. Alrighty. So, you see it's got a little busier last time. There's more shit all over now. Undo the doghouse. Open up. There we go. Open up. Perfect. Make sure the latches are all off. And you pull her out. Oh yeah. There she is again. Ain't she something? Beautiful. Hey, wait a second. This O2 sensor looks good. It's just that one that's shit. I'm gonna burn the fuck out of myself touching this fucking thing. What is this? Oh, it's the dipstick tube. The pin that keeps it from falling off the thing is decided to no longer work. You know, let's throw away some of this garbage. Yeah, we're gonna crumple it up and toss it. So we can throw away some of that. There's a whole bag of, and where's my stuff?
Teachers are
Move.
telling me
Move.
in kindergarten they have students that come in that don't
There you
know
go.
any letters or even colors, and then they have other students in kindergarten that know all the alphabet. Could you imagine if you want to be with it?
You know what I haven't seen in a while is my torch. I suspect it has gone missing. And by missing, I mean I fucking lost it. Because as you can see, shit isn't exactly organized in here. So I bought off Amazon some of these little clips, these pigtails, 8 of them, which we will now see if it connects to the original or the replacement coils, which do not come greased. They do. Whoa, is that? Oh shit, dude. That's so cool. Okay. To the collection of ignition pieces. Okay, so I need to cut this, but also have it positioned in a way. I hope none of the other ones break off, because this is a real fucking pain. All right. We'll cut one at a time and crimp one at a time. I need a pair of side snips because, oh no, I have side snips in the bag. So we're gonna use this plastic one that I've been storing, perhaps. Yeah, look, we're not gonna cut ourselves. We're also not gonna cut anything else. This isn't cutting worth a fucking damn, which should be of surprise to nobody. It's made out of plastic, if you weren't able to tell. We have like a trillion different scrapers, courtesy of Amazon. By courtesy of them, I mean I purchased it from them. They didn't give me anything or anything, of course. Precision snipping. It's hard to tell what you guys might actually be able to see and whatnot. Torch! And it works. Uh-oh. That is not what you want to see. Wow. Pray I don't have to do that for any of the other ones, because it is horrible. Well, I'm about to run out of batteries, so I'm just gonna take the rest of the pictures. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's right. We on the road again. Wait, there we go. Here I go. We're gonna turn right. Ah. Oh, am I gonna clip that? Oh, no. Wait, yeah, no. Oh! This is your brain on man van. Too much power. Oh shit. Hurry up, Nate. Hurry. Hurry. Ah, you slack cunt, you. No life skills. I'm trying to go home right now. Here I am on a road. Hee-haw. Ah. whole lot of noise for not much speed. All right. Hey people. It'd be round 2 of repairs to this because I ran out of battery and memory yesterday. So what we got here is I'm leaving the 2 middle coil packs on each side alone for now because I just want to do 2 at a time because I'm on call. So there's one there that I just replaced, and there's one here that I am just replacing, which they look like this when they come out. There's the spark plug on that side. And we got this, and they all actually bend and flex. So they're not in super bad condition or anything. Alright, so I already pulled it out. We need to get out the spark plug now. The hole is really hard to see. Okay. Actually, it's impossible to see at the moment. Right around from the far from here. In fact, we're gonna remove this injector plug because it'll make access easier. And then stick her in. Bam, we got it. The idea would be to get as little dust back inside of it as you can possibly prevent, but it's not really easy to do on this. That is tight. So it sure looks like we didn't do fucking anything at all there. So this big ass long one, put on this little baby one. It's not really easy to get to, so we got another trick in order to make this easier. Alright, so here is a socket, another flexible one, just like that. Ooh. Made of fine quality. There we go. And stick this in the back of here. And we got ourselves something that works. Out. She a little dusty. She a lot of dusty. With every single one I've done so far, I measure what it is, which is 0.04 of a gap, and I'll grab a new one. That's right. I recycle. And I'll check the gap on it. These have all been around 50-ish. And because I don't want that black piece of rubber to keep sticking on this whenever I put this in there, I'm gonna grease it before I stick it in. Now, this bad boy is gonna go back in. You wanna do that part to hand, make sure you don't cross thread it. And then we tighten her. There we go. Get that attached. The plug goes back on. My light comes back out. You know what? It might be hot, but I'm gonna do that too right now. We're gonna replace the thermostat. We don't want to put too much on it. Oh, no way. Oh, I could have sworn that was the sound of it breaking. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Those are some of the scariest bolts that I've ever taken out on something where I was like, oh God, don't do it. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I've got shit I want to do today that doesn't work on you. Okay, so what you got here is no thermostat at all. There's supposed to be, but there's literally nothing here. Why would they do this? I'm gonna remove my thermostat. For what purpose? Should I be worried? Is the engine overheating? Seems like this would go in first. And this. Mostly cleaned up. You should run some kind of chaser through it if it's gonna come up that bad. Alright, tighten this shit down. Fuck. My lens! See a little diagram there doing what I'm doing. I have no idea what that could mean. I hope it doesn't mean don't pour yellow coolant into this. Like, bro, that's literally what I just did. You're being cringe. Well, that sounds fine. So this is on a ride right now. I now have the front left, front right, rear left, and rear right spark plugs replaced. So that is a scary amount of noise. But it seems good. Yeah, I just filled it up with more coolant, and on the way back I decided to go ahead and plug it in anyway. It probably hasn't been driving enough because it just said there's no codes. So yeah. It's better than nothing. At least nothing immediately popped up, you know? That's gotta be a good sign. Yeah, ain't she a beauty?